Hi, this is Eunice. Welcome to Aerial Practice. This is where I share with you my aerial and flexibility routines. Today you're going to learn this simple beginner flow. If you have seen my transformation video, you will notice my past struggles learning this flow and know that you will get past the challenging beginning too. This video will walk you through this flow by breaking it down into 6 aerial hammock tricks you can do today. First, we get into this inverted L shape. Since I don't have much height, I like to keep my hammock around my waist. Bring the hammock to the back. Use your hands to keep the hammock position. Lean your body down. Bring the knees up and straighten the legs. Keep the legs straight and bring them together. This is our first trick, and I'm going to show you one more time. We are going to a sitting position from our inversion. Be prepared for slight discomfort if this is your first time having silks wrap around your thighs. From here, we bend our knees to bring the feet inside the silks. Engage your core to reach the silks. Squeeze your legs muscle to keep it straight. Open the legs and push the hip up. If climbing up for you looks like this now, practice engaging your legs muscle will help you achieve a cleaner look. Let's do it from the top. Our third trick today is a hip lock. From the sitting position, use your left hand to guide your body forward. Keep reaching out clockwise to turn your body to grab the silks. Now the silks should be on your right side. Swing your left leg to draw a big circle to help bring your butt up to a hip lock. You should feel secure enough to let go of your hands. I'm going to show you once again from the top. The next 3 tricks are connected, so I'm going to show them to you all together. From the hip lock, grab the hammock, draw a reverse circle with your left leg, and hook your right elbow on the silks at the same time. Next, slide your right leg down and bring it to a split. If you're less flexible, you don't have to bring it as close to your body. From the split, bend your right knee to hook it on the silk. Grab your left foot, and here's our last trick. I'm going to show you what the full flow looks like from the top. Then you will see my work in progress flow with spinning. 2 tips to remember throughout your practice is to keep your legs pointed and be aware of the transitions. So how many tricks did you get today? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thank you for joining us and see you in the next video.